Good morning, everyone. Good morning, all of you. You don't want to wish me good morning?
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Very good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank, thank you. Children, so we will start our class now. As we were discussing about the brick patterns yesterday, right? How to make the brick patterns, which brick pattern is stronger, what different patterns we can, Dhi, please pay attention here. What different patterns we can create with the bricks. If we have the cuboidal shaped brick, because bricks are in cuboid, how we can make the circular shapes with the circular pattern with the cuboid bricks, that we were discussing in our last classes. Yes. So we had discussed which pattern of bricks, or when we create a wall, we were comparing Zainab, Dhwani, eat before entering in the class. After entering in the class, it will not be allowed. So we had discussed that also, that Janab wall is stronger or Munia's wall is stronger. If Janab wall is stronger, why Janab wall is stronger? Why Munia's wall is not stronger? That also we have discussed. So I want to show you one video, that there are two girls who met with the architecture. Who is the architecture?
Who make buildings?
Yes,
Who
who
make
design,
building?
who may
Who make
buildings,
building?
design buildings. Yes, they met with that person and they are learning about the brick patterns. So see, their conversation is very nice. Listen it carefully, and then after that we will discuss about that. Now I am going to mute myself. You will not able to listen my voice. So first you listen and then we will any doubt. Okay. Shivani, look here.
Can be made with bricks. Where are the patterns made of bricks used? And why is the pattern used?
Today lunchtime is going to be a lot of fun. Why? Because during lunchtime, Engineer Sir will show us many patterns of bricks. Yes, even I am very excited. Sir, we have come. Did you bring with you the file with patterns?
Yes, I brought the book with patterns with me. How can I forget it?
Sir, let us see some nice patterns.
See, these are the patterns made using few selected bricks.
Wow, this is such a beautiful pattern. And it is difficult to make these.
If you understand
Shivani,
its
mute your
pattern,
mic.
you can easily make it. Let me make this pattern for you. See, first make groups of 3 bricks. Let's make the first line from these groups. For that, let's keep a group in such a way that the bricks are vertical. Then keep a different group in such a way that the bricks are horizontal. Once again, a vertical group and a horizontal group. Now let's make the line below it. Because the top line has started with vertical bricks, then this line will start with horizontal bricks, then followed by vertical bricks, and then horizontal bricks. In this way, we make a complete pattern.
Oh, yes, sir. This is really easy. Sir, please show more patterns.
I'll show you. Look,
Oh, wow. This pattern is very beautiful.
not only is it beautiful, there is something special about this design.
So, what is special about it?
This design is mirror half.
What does mirror half mean?
It means that if you cut this design into 2 halves and then look at it in the mirror, then you will see the whole design.
Yes, sir. It means that the design present in one half is present in the other half too.
Absolutely right, Neha. Now look at this design.
Sir, this design is a circular shape design. Is it made with vertical bricks?
Yes, this is made with vertical bricks. You too can try making such a design at home.
Sure, sir.
See, now I will show you another circular design made of bricks. See this.
Sir, this design is very beautiful.
Let me show you one of my favorite pattern. In our childhood, when we did not have stumps while playing cricket, we used to make similar wickets using bricks.
Oh, got it, sir. This is related to cricket, so it's your favorite.
No, the reason for it being my favorite is that this particular pattern gives strength to the wicket so that the wicket does not fall easily.
So let's try making it.
Why not? See, first put 3 bricks one on top of the other. After that, place this brick on their side like this. Now again, 3 bricks will be placed one above the other, but this time on this side. This gives strength to the wicket. Now we will place 1 brick on the side of these 3 bricks. We will repeat the same pattern once again.
Sir, now show the pattern of walls.
Sure. See, I'll show you 2 patterns of walls. This is the first pattern. It is made when we have to make a thin wall. And this is the second pattern. It is made when we have to make the wall a bit thick.
Sir, now show different patterns of vent also.
See this vent pattern.
Wow, sir.
See, vent pattern means ventilation pattern, and which we have already learned the jali patterns. Many of you created a very nice patterns with the jali, right? So look here how they are showing the jali patterns. Look again, I will play. See. These all are the jali patterns.
Wow,
Ma'am,
sir.
jali
These
pattern.
vents are so beautiful.
I've not yet shown you the most beautiful vent.
Sir, please show it then.
See this. But this is made of thin bricks.
Sir, it is so beautiful. I cannot believe that such beautiful vents can be made using bricks.
Now I will show you the design of an arch. See this.
Sir, such a beautiful arch. Is something similar being made in our canteen too?
Currently there is no such plan, but I will see if we can do something.
Sir, we have seen the pattern of floor, wall, vent, window and arch made of bricks. Are there any other places where bricks patterns are used?
Yes, let me show you another place where bricks are used. See this?
We have seen this in the garden.
Absolutely right.
Thank you so much, sir, for showing us such nice patterns made of bricks.
You have seen many designs, but tell me, what have you learned?
So we learned that many patterns can be made using bricks. The brick patterns are used in buildings to make floor, wall, vent, window, arch and gardens too. Circular patterns can also be made using bricks. Some patterns can be mirror half. Patterns are not only used for design, some patterns also strengthen construction.
Very good. Both of you can become good engineers.
So,
Ma'am, in
yes.
ma'am, in notebook only now we have to draw.
No, I have given yesterday, no, in the classroom that you need to draw on the A4 size paper. Now I will show you one more video. How they, after learning, how they are creating. Okay? How they are creating their own
Ma'am.
patterns. Yes. Yes, yes, ask.
What we have to do in A4 size paper?
Yeah, yesterday I have put in the classroom that you need to make a jali pattern and you need to make a jarokha pattern and arch pattern on A4 size paper. Okay?
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Learn that circular patterns can be made using bricks. Mirror half pattern can also be made using bricks, and it is not necessary that every pattern made of bricks is mirror half.
Vandana, we saw so many beautiful patterns made of bricks. But I still can't believe one thing. On what? The fact that circular shapes or round patterns can be made using cuboid bricks. Engineers had asked us to try making it yourself. If you have doubts, then let's try it together. Okay, for this, we will need some bricks. Here are few bricks. Let's make patterns using them. Let us first keep these 4 bricks like this. Now let's make a circle of bricks around them. Then make another circle of bricks around them. Then another and then another one. Look, it became a circular pattern. Apart from this, I saw another circular pattern in one place. See this pattern. The only difference is that some bricks have been cut into half and used. Yes, now I'm sure, Vandana, that circular patterns can be made using bricks. How wonderful it is! All these patterns made of bricks are mirror halves. Why did you think so? Neha, what is there in it? See, all these patterns are mirror half. These patterns are mirror half. But look at this pattern. Do you think this is also a mirror half? Let me see. If you make it into half and look at it in the mirror, then the pattern is not getting completed. It means that it is not mirror half. Can you show me any other pattern that is not a mirror half? Why not? Look at the pattern on this wall. It is a repeating pattern, not a mirror half. Rightly said. It means some patterns are mirror half and some are not. One more question. But bricks are placed one on top of the other to create this pattern. But only half of the brick is above the brick below it. Yes, I thought that the bricks are placed exactly one on top of the other. Patterns can be made by placing bricks one on top of the other. But remember what engineer sir said? What did he say? He said that some patterns also strengthen the wall. See, here the bricks are bonded together and a strong wall is formed. Oh, got it. When Sir had made the wicket, then why he had placed 3 bricks one above the other and placed the next brick beside them? Yes, see, today I taught you 3 facts. Circular patterns can be made using bricks. It is not necessary that every pattern is mirror half. And the pattern that is made by placing bricks one on top of the other does not necessarily mean that bricks are placed exactly on top of each other. Thank you, madam.
So in our yesterday's class, we have learned different types of patterns with bricks, right? Jali pattern, Jarokha pattern. We have
Ma'am,
done arch pattern. Yes, Dhwani.
ma'am, I'm confused in Jali and Jarokha.
Jali is smaller gaps when we leave between the patterns, and Jarokha is the big one. Right. Wait a minute. I'll show you the Jali and Jarokha in the images. Wait a minute.
Also, you can draw arch pattern.
Yeah, I will draw. But you please have to wait for a minute. Wait, I'm going to present my screen. And I will show you which patterns are
Then may I
jali.
go to washroom?
Yes, please. Is my screen visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, Dhwani and those who are asking what is jali and what is jaroga and what is arch. So the gap between, can you see the gap here they have made when they're making the wall? Small gap is there. Yes or no? It is visible or not? Why you not answering me? Because when I present the screen, I'm not able to see you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Okay. So please answer me when I ask. So these are the jali patterns. This is the jali. Wait, I will show you more patterns with. Yes. Can you all see this image?
Yes, ma'am.
So this wherever my cursor is, this is jali. Here also you can see this is jali in the balcony, but the space, this is larger amount of space. ये window नहीं है. This is not the window because this is not covered with the one. This is the open one. This is called jarokha. बड़े बड़े space ऐसे छोड़ देते थे. Here also you can see this is jarokha. ये बड़ा space है. Balcony
Ma'am,
में
this
भी आप
down
नीचे
one
देख सकते
also
हो.
it is Jarokha.
Yes, this is jarokha. This is jarokha.
Yes.
This is jarokha. This is jarokha. But the round pattern जो green में है, हर किसी में यहाँ round pattern है. This is arch pattern. देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे भी. Can you all see this? This is arch. Here also jarokha तो है नीचे, लेकिन ऊपर एक arch pattern भी है. This is arch.
This one is also Jarokha.
Yeah, this is jarokha. This is jarokha. But jarokha के ऊपर एक design बनी हुई है, वो arc है. This is arch. Got it? Can you all see my board?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
जाली पैटर्न ऐसे होता है कि बीच बीच में when you make the wall, आपने इसको कलर किया, इसको छोड़ दिया, इसको किया. हर्रे, mute yourself please. So when you leave a gap between, that is called small gap chote. That is, these are the jalis. And why they were leaving the making these jali pattern early days? These are called the ventilation pattern. Ventilation means हवा आती है इसमें से, right? और clear? These are the when you draw. अगर draw करेंगे flat paper पे, तो आप इस तरीके से patterns draw कर सकते हैं जाली के. आपने इसको कलर किया, इसको छोड़ दिया, इसको किया. Then you leave one box. Got it? Then you do this, then you do this, then you do this. This way you can create the jali pattern. आपने बीच बीच में boxes छोड़े और अब triangle में बना दो jali pattern. You can create your creativity. These are the jali patterns. Jali pattern के बाद comes the arch pattern. Arch है, this is the round. ऐसे होता है arc shape. This and then special arc ऐसे ऐसे बनी हुई होती हैं, which I was showing you in the pictures also. Got it? Where you see this type of patterns? Where you see? Can you name them?
In the that old thing.
Old buildings,
Old buildings.
monuments, right? Temples, castles, temples, right? There you see these such patterns. And this is the arch pattern. We are clear with the jali pattern. And the another one which I was showing you, the jarokha pattern. Jarokha, you don't think that is the window, but that is the space which is they are leaving. Exactly, window के जितना ही space छुड़ा हुआ होता है jarokha में, काफी space होता है, पर वो window की तरह covered नहीं होता. Window में हम लगवा देते हैं ना window को cover करने के लिए, but jarokhas are not covered. You can see here in the images, jarokha open है. आप अगर balcony में खड़े हो जाओगे, so you can see from the balcony down also. These are the jarokhas. Got it? These are jarokhas. आप यहाँ पे jarokhe में से जाग सकते हो नीचे. Got it, children? So you will explore these things when you go to your nani's place, or when you go to Rajasthan side, or when you go to temples also. So you just explore yourself and just take the experience. Got it? And now we will start one more topic. Please open your notebook and in index also write unitary method. Why we are learning this unitary method? Because it's next topic आपका यही है pages में. Unitary is what? I will explain you what is unitary means. So open your notebooks and start writing along with me. No one will just ask you to drink water. In between, no one will ask, ma'am, do we have to write? Yes, my first instruction is you have to write. Open your notebook now. Press new page. Yes, yes, Hare, speak.
My index has been finished.
You have the index on next page.
No, ma'am.
So you do one thing, take the middle page of your notebook. Middle page, you know, बीच का page निकालना है, unstick that and make the index.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I want to ask one thing.
Well, Shivani.
You have to write with black pen.
My in first class, I told in maths only we will use blue pen. You children are still confused in 10 to 12 days that which pen we have to use. Only one pen. That is blue color pen.
Then there is second index on second index.
Yeah, then you use the second index. We are going to do the unitary method. Unitary method means if you know multiplication and division, you can easily able to do the unitary method. Unitary method means if you have a value of 1, right? Unit means 1 की value, find out the value of 1.
Ma'am, in index we have to write unitary method.
Yeah, in index you need to write the unitary method. Find the value of 1. Value of 1 means एक का price आपको निकालना है. If you don't write this, only write this on the new page. This I am doing explanation. So don't write this. Write unitary method. And when I will tell you to write, then you only will write. Okay. So unitary method means we need to find the value of 1. And for example, when the cost of many article is given to you, cost of, now what I am writing, you also write. Cost of when cost of when the cost of many articles means things, articles
Yes, we have to write.
yes is given and we have to find the cost of one article, we divide.
Excuse me, ma'am. I don't understand cursive.
Oh, then it will be difficult. Again, I have to erase then.
Ma'am, can I write in cursive in my notebook?
Yes, you can. Those who know the cursive, they write please in the cursive. When the cost of many articles is given and we have to find the cost of one article we divide.
I cannot see the heading properly.
Now check.
Cost.
My board is visible to you all properly?
Yes, ma'am. Unitary method.
Everything is clear?
Yes,
Write
ma'am.
this fast, then I will explain you what it is. When the cost of many article is given and we have to find the cost of one article, we divide.
Ma'am, can you show the can you do this way?
Wait a minute, wait. I
Ma'am,
will.
done.
Now check Vedi.
Can you show the start, not the end? Start of the board.
Now check Vedi.
I can only see we have to find the
You
cost
can't
one.
see from the first one, from the heading you can't see.
Ma'am,
It is visible clearly.
I have written till cost. Then directly we have to write one article we.
When the cost of many articles is given and we have to find the cost of one article, we divide. Got it, Vedi, now?
Yes.
Done, ma'am.
Arav, are you
We
writing in
divide.
your notebook?
One.
The meaning, mute yourself, Vedi, please. Dhvani, mute yourself. See, the meaning of this is if you go to market, right? You go to market to buy many things, vegetables also, pencils also, anything when you go to market and you buy. So आपको उसका price approximately निकालना आना चाहिए. You learn to how to find the price of a one unit. For example, when you go to market and you want to buy a pencil, right? You want to buy a pencil. Those who are writing, they keep on writing, and those who are finished, they please pay attention here. I am explaining the sum with the example, the topic with the example. When you go to market, you want to buy a pencil, but you want to buy one pencil only. You want to buy how many pencils? For example, one only. आपको एक ही लेनी है pencil, right? But when you go to the shopkeeper place and shopkeeper जो pencil sale करता है, he will tell you that this complete box is of 24 rupees, and in box there are 12 pencils in a box. 12 pencils in one box and the price is 24. So how you will find the price of one?
We divide 24 divided by 12. 2, ma'am.
We will divide.
Yes, we will divide.
And
Because the price of many article is given, many is 24. Price of many pencil is given. 24 का price, 12 pencils का price 24 है. So how you will calculate the price of one pencil? By dividing. Dividing. Ab now you know the price of one pencil is 2. Now you think that okay, I will buy 5 pencils. So how you will find the price of 5 pencils?
multiplication.
Yes. Yes. So
So
unitary method says first you find the value of 1. आपके पास 1 का price आ गया. That is ₹2. अब आपको 5 pencils का cost निकालना है. Then you multiply by 5. Then what will be the cost of 5 pencils?
Ma'am, we have to write this. 10. Ma'am, 10.
You write till here.
Ma'am, 10.
Got it?
10.
So a unitary method means when you know for one, आपको चाहे उसकी cost है, चाहे किलोमीटर, अगर स्पीड में बात करें कि इतने घंटे में इतने किलोमीटर चलता है तो इतने में कितना चलेगा. So if you know about the one, so you will able to find out for the many. अगर आपको एक का पता लग जाएगा, चाहे वो कॉस्ट हो, चाहे डिस्टेंस हो, चाहे स्पीड हो, चाहे मेजरमेंट हो, एनीथिंग, if you able to find out the one आपको हमेशा डिवाइड करके ही फाइंड आउट होगा. अगर आपके पास 1 का मिल गया तो आप मैनी का निकाल सकते हो. गॉट इट? So for finding for the 1 we divide, and after finding for the 1 if we got for the 1, when we find out for the many, what we will do? We multiply. So iska, now you write many से जब हम 1 के लिए निकालते हैं, so we divide. अब 1 आ गया हमारे पास और 1 के बाद हम many निकालना चाहते हैं, so we
Ma'am, we have to write this.
you write. Yes.
To write this.
Yes, right, fast. Many एरो मीन्स अगर आप मैनी से 1 की तरफ जा रहे हैं, मीन्स मैनी है आपके पास, यू नीड टू फाइंड आउट 1, सो यू डिवाइड. और आपके पास 1 का कॉस्ट है या 1 के बारे में पता है, कोई नॉलेज है, एनी 1 का आर्टिकल के बारे में पता है, सो फ्रॉम 1 टू मैनी आपको उसको निकालना है, सो यू मल्टीप्लाई. सपोज आई टेल यू 1 kg potato is 5 rupees. Mohammed will tell me, Mohammed, 1 kg potato is rupees 5. 1 kg potato, listen the question carefully. 1 kg potato means आपके पास 1 का है. 1 kg potato is rupees 5. Find the price of 5 kg potatoes.
Ma'am, 50.
1 kg potato is rupees 5. 25. 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. Okay, now Dheer will tell me. Dheer,
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I
mute yourself. Now Sylvia.
Ma'am.
Sylvia visible.
Ma'am.
Aru first.
Ma'am, what was right there? One article, we, then, ma'am, what you have right?
Have actually. Mute yourself. Reddy, mute yourself, please. Yes, Dee, tell me, if you go to market, which thing you like to buy?
One love gun.
One
A toy gun.
toy gun. Okay, one toy gun. And the shopkeeper, you can imagine any price the shopkeeper told you. The price of a gun. Tell me any price.
20,000.
20,000. Okay. The price of one toy gun is 20,000. Now you need to buy the 5 guns. Same type of 5 guns. So how much price you will pay?
25,000.
Huh? 20,000 is for one.
Can I say?
And for 5. Multiply it and find the answer.
Can I say?
Because there is a
Ma'am,
one
can
ka
I?
cost. Wait a minute. One ka cost is given to you 20,000 and you need to find out for 5.
Ma'am,
Yes, Jignesh will tell me.
ma'am, 1 lakh.
Yes.
Ma'am, 1 lakh.
Yes, 20,000 multiplied by 5 is 1 lakh. Suppose.
Multiply.
Yes, now we relate it with the brick because our chapter is related with the bricks, na? Now, a mason went to, or a person जिसको अपने घर पे repair कराना है, he went to buy a bricks. And the shopkeeper, can I erase the board?
Ma'am, we have to write.
Yes, ma'am.
Whether you're still asking that we have to write this, whatever is given here on the board that you need to write.
That
Yes.
gun one.
No gun one. Suppose now I will, please mute your mic. Now my example is, I will relate this unitary method with the bricks. Okay. Why I am relating it with the bricks? Because our chapter is related with the bricks. Suppose I went to market because I need some bricks. I want to buy 15,000 bricks.
Ma'am, now we have to write.
No, don't write. Just pay attention here and try to understand. I want to buy 15,000 bricks. Cost of one brick is rupees 15. Find the cost of 15,000 bricks. Cost of one brick is rupees 15 is given to you. You need to find out the cost of 15,000 bricks. To find out how you will find.
Ma'am, we have to write this.
No, you just have to find out the answer in your rough calculation and find out.
Ma'am, I think 25,000.
15,000 bricks का निकालना है and you have a price of one brick. So 15,000 multiplied by 15. 15,000 bricks you need to take and you have a cost of one brick which is 15. When you multiply it, you will get the answer. And when this type of unitary method question comes, it will come in word problem. So it is compulsory to write this statement also. How you will write the statement? That cost of one brick is this. जो क्वेश्चन में होता है that way, the first step which is given to you, वो होता है first step of the word problem. Cost of one brick is rupees 15. Cost of 15,000 brick is 15,000 multiplied by 15. So first statement is also your first line of your question. Second statement is the second line of your question. And 15,000 multiplied by 15 when you do, you will get the answer. Do it fast and tell me what is the answer coming. If you have calculated 15,000 multiplied by 15.
30,000.
Wait a minute, let me do.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
200.
No.
Ma'am, 2,25,000.
2,25,000.
2,25,000 will come when you multiply this.
2,25,000.
And what unit I will write this, what you have calculated, this you have calculated the price of 15,000 bricks. So the unit will come rupees. Rupees 2,25,000. आप शॉपकीपर को 15,000 bricks का अमाउंट कितना दोगे?
2,25,000.
2,25,000. 2,25,000, ma'am.
Yes. This way, I will send you a worksheet on the basis of concept we have done today. Okay, try to do it. If you have any confusion, we will solve it tomorrow again. Thank you for today's class.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.